Hi everyone, welcome back to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender, and today I'm showing you how to make a Monte Carlo. I actually filmed this yesterday and I stuffed up my footage, so I have to remake it, unfortunately. Well, it's actually quite fortunate because it's a good tasting drink. I enjoyed it, so I get to have it a second time. This is a rye whiskey based drink, and it was featured in David Embury's 1948, The Fine Art of Mixing Drinks. This is the original recipe that was featured in the book, and it does call for a higher portion of Dom Benedictine. So he even says it is a sweeter style cocktail, and more commonly it's the ratio has been reduced these days when people mix it, but I'll leave both recipes in the description below so you can compare the two if you like, and I'll give you my feedback on this version, which is the sweeter version. It's really simple drink. It consists of a rye whiskey. You can go something higher proof if you like. This is 45%, 90 proof, 60 ml, 2 ounces. And I think it was originally served up in a coupe or a martini, but it's more commonly served strained over ice these days. So the original recipe that I'm doing now, 30 ml, 1 ounce. If you do want it to be more whiskey forward, then you can drop that by half. 1 or 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. And stir it down 20 or 30 seconds. And I've done a Leandro. I forgot my strainer. I do it every time. Can you grab the vintage shell strainer? Yeah. Thank you. Ooh, you can smell the spice coming off that. Thank you. If you've got a large ice cube, then you can use that. Otherwise, strain it with fresh ice. And garnish with a twist of lemon. There you have the Monte Carlo. Cheers. I really do like this version. It is a sweeter style, but the Benedictine is more the hero. You get a lot of those spices coming through. When I did it yesterday, I did both versions, and I had the 60 ml, 2 ounces of rye with only 15 ml, half an ounce of the Benedictine, and it was just really rye forward. It was spicy because of the rye, but I like the complexity that comes with it when you've got a higher ratio. It is sweeter, but it's really nice in this format. Let me know what you think your preferred version would be, or if you've tried both, let me know. And thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.